Hi, this is Ani, Ani Day Trades with StockTwits and Twitter and daytradingwithani.com. And I am here with the Priceline chart to show you the history that we've been following as a swing trade from January for members. And also, I've been sharing a lot about Priceline on the charts with StockTwits. And as I am watching this and looking at this, I wanted to share with you how you can actually keep moving with a successful trade and to take advantage of the move and to be able to stay within the trade and at the same time take some profits so you get rewarded for your actions, which is really what where it's about, right? So let's take a look at this entry initially here in January, where it broke out from this baseline here, and we were in on that trade at 486, going long to and following this trend here until it broke that. We did sell this at this point and got out of the trade on February 6th. But of course, watching this move further up and breaking out one more time, we took advantage of that, and that was actually pretty close to where we sold at the sale price. So you might think sometimes that, oh, I got out of this trade too soon, but then when you watch and you look at the chart, you can actually gauge and perhaps get back into a trade and really not be that far off from your original starting point or selling point to the starting point, I should say. So we broke out here at and got in this trade February 13th at 548, and then this move started moving up. Now this trend line right here shows the top of this as well, and I had a bottom on it too going, but I kept just the top of it because that became the bottom of the trend line here for the after the earnings breakout or gap up, and that earnings gap up, of course, we take caution and make sure that we are protecting our shares, and I usually don't keep actually into a an earnings day. However, in this case, it just with the history of Priceline, there are some shares that were just worth keeping regardless. And with the gap up rewarding, again, watching this sideways move and sticking with this trend line, saw another opportunity of it moving higher. And of course, also having the confidence because of this good earnings report and the forward looking report as well. The just moving here with the sideways and letting this run, it really didn't break out until here. Now, we did not add there. We've already been in here, so we didn't add here. However, that, of course, would have been another opportunity. And once it started moving even higher, it started developing another trend line, which became evident right here. So moving with that, first marking the top trend and then having a base trend here, we were able to again watch this as it started hesitating and then not breaking down the 717 area really. And yesterday it tested, and the day before as well, tested the 717 to about the 730 area, 728 or so. And since it did not break down the 717, I felt that it was a good opportunity to again enter this at about that price level, and 718 actually is what it became, and then pushing through that, it we were able to take advantage of this move today. And I did post this, by the way, yesterday, that I felt this was basing into another opportunity, and I posted that on StockTwits, so you can look at that chart as well to compare. All right, that's it. I hope you traded well and carefully, and thanks for listening. Take care. Bye bye.